Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you how to change default font and size in Excel. So guys, if you want to change default font and size in Excel, so very easy. Firstly click on home and here change any font and size. Here change font, and other way click on file, after click on option, and here default font if you want to change, so choose this is list of font. This is my case, and change font size. After click on OK. Please close and restart Microsoft Excel so that the font changes can take effect. Click on OK. That is. After open Excel, that is. So change the font and size. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to change default font and size in Excel. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.